Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Today let us discuss exercise 11.2 in trigonometry of 10th class. First question is evaluate. First question is sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. Sin 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 value is also 1 by root 2. We get this as 2 by root 2. Once and root 2 times. The answer is root 2. Second one in first question, cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 60 degrees. Cos 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2 by cosecant 30 degrees is 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 60 degrees is 2 by root 3. We can write this as 1 by root 2 by 4 by root 3. Now this can be written as 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4 root 2 is the answer. Third one, sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 value is 1. This can be written as 1 by 1 minus cosecant 60 degrees is 2 by root 3 by cot 45 is 1. So this can be written as 1 by 1 plus cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2 minus secant 30 degrees is 2 by root 3. This can be written as root 3 making the denominator 2 root 3. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 into 2 by 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus 2 into 2. Here the denominator 2 root 3 and also the denominator 2 root 3 gets cancelled. Now this can be written as root 3 plus 2 root 3 becomes 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 minus 4. The answer is 1. Now fourth bit is 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. 2 into tan 45 is 1 plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Here given as cos square 30 degrees. So root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square 60 degrees is root 3 by 2 whole square. This is 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 gets cancelled. The answer is 2. Fifth one is secant square 60 degrees minus tan square 60 degrees by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 minus tan 60 value is root 3. So substitute this. Root 3 whole square by sin 30 value is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. Sorry, secant 60 degrees value is 2. This becomes 4 minus root 3 whole square is 3 by 1 by 2 whole square becomes 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 whole square becomes 3 by 4. That is the numerator becomes 1. The denominator is 4 by 4. The value is 1. Second question is choose the right answer and justify your answer. First one, 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. The options given are sin 60, cos 60, tan 30 and sin 30. Let us substitute the values. 2 into tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan 45 degrees value is 1 whole square. So 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is the tan 30 value. So the answer is tan 30 degrees. Now second bit in second question is 1 minus tan square 45 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. Options are tan 90, sin 45, 1 and 0. 1 minus tan 45 value is 1 square by 1 plus tan 45 square value is 1 square. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 0. Third bit in second question. 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. 2 into tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan square 30 is 1 by root 3 whole square. So this becomes 1 by 3. So 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 by 3. This can be written as 2 by root 3 into, when this comes to numerator, this is reversed. So 3 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Root 3 times. The answer is root 3. Root 3 can be written as tan 60 degrees. Third question is evaluate sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. What is the value of sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees? What can you conclude? Now let us substitute the values. Sin 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degrees value is root 3 by 2. Plus sin 30 value is 1 by 2. And cos 60 value is also 1 by 2. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 into 2 is 4. Plus 1 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1 is the answer for this one. And now sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is sin 90 degrees. This value is also 1. Now we can say from both of these that sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, because both these are equal. Fourth question, is it right to say that cos 60 plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 and sin 30? Cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is cos 90 degrees and cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 into sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Cos 90 value is 0. So root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. 0 is equal to 0. We can say that this is true. Fifth question. In a triangle PQR, right angle is at Q. PQ is equal to 6 centimeters. Angle RPQ is 60 degrees. Determine the length of QR and PR. Now let us construct the right angle triangle first. Here given it is 90 degrees at Q. Let this be Q, P and R. Angle RPQ is equal to 60 degrees. So RPQ angle is 60 degrees. The sum of the angles in a triangle should be 180 degrees. So if this is 90 and this is 60, this should be 30 degrees. And given PQ length is 6 centimeters. Now we should find QR and PR. Now let us take sin 60 degrees is equal to sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. According to the triangle, sin 60 is QR by PR. That is opposite side by adjacent side. Sorry. QR by PR, that is opposite side by hypotenuse. Now cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2. This can be written as PQ, that is adjacent side by hypotenuse PR. We know the value of PQ, that is 6 by PR. Now 6 by PR is equal to 1 by 2. From this we can get PR is equal to 12 centimeters. Now we should find QR. Now from sin 60, QR by PR is equal to root 3 by 2. But we got the value of PR. Now substitute this. QR by 12 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cancellation. We get QR value is equal to 6 root 3 centimeters. 6 root 3 centimeters is the length of the side QR. Sixth question is, in a right angle triangle XYZ, right angle is at Y. YZ is equal to X, XZ is equal to 2X. Then determine angle YXZ and YZX. Now let us construct a right angle triangle from the information given in the question. Here given it is right angle at Y, angle Y. So this is 90 degrees Y and here it is X and Z. YZ is equal to X is given and XZ, that is the hypotenuse, is given as 2X. So from the Pythagoras theorem, XY square is equal to x square plus 2x square by Pythagoras theorem. So xy is equal to root of x square plus 2x square is 3x square. Xy is equal to root 3x. This is the value of xy, that is the length of xy is root 3x. Now sin x is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So x by 2x. This can be written as x gets cancelled 1 by 2. Sin x is equal to 1 by 2. That is x is equal to 30 degrees because sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. So x becomes 30 degrees. That is angle y, x and z is equal to 30 degrees. In a right angle triangle, the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. So 90 degrees plus 30 degrees plus z is equal to 180 degrees. So z is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. So z is equal to 60 degrees. That is angle YZX is equal to 60 degrees is the answer. Seventh question, that is the last question in this exercise. Is it right to say that sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B? Justify your answer. Now let's take A is equal to 30 degrees and B is equal to 60 degrees. Substitute these values in this. Sin A plus B is sin 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to sin A plus sin B. So sin 30 degrees plus sine 60 degrees. Sine 30 plus 60 is sine 90 degrees, and sine 30 value is 1 by 2 plus sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 value is 1. This becomes root 3 plus 1 by 2. Both these are not equal. So we can conclude that sine A plus B is not equal to sine A plus sine B. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel, and also share with your friends. Press bell icon to get notified.